In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable AI in your workspace. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can start using AI features inside Airtable with confidence. If you already use Airtable to organize projects, track information, or manage workflows, adding AI can help you summarize content, generate text, and automate repetitive work directly inside your base. To begin, open the Airtable workspace where you want to use AI. Make sure you're in the correct base or table before you start configuring anything because the AI setup will depend on the records and fields available there. Taking a moment to confirm your workspace now can save you from having to redo the setup later. Next, check whether your current plan or workspace includes access to Airtable AI. This is important because AI features may depend on your subscription level or workspace settings. If you don't see the AI options right away, that usually means access hasn't been enabled in that environment yet. Verifying this early helps avoid confusion as you move through the setup. Once access is confirmed, add an AI field or choose an AI-powered feature within your table. This is the part where you decide how Airtable AI will be used in your workflow. For example, the AI field can be used to generate text, summarize information, or help process existing content in a more automated way. Choose the option that best matches the result you want. After that, write the prompt that tells Airtable AI what to generate or summarize. Be clear and specific here, because the quality of the output depends heavily on the instruction you provide. A well-written prompt gives the AI better context and usually leads to more useful results. Keep the wording focused on the exact task you want completed. Then select the fields Airtable AI should use as its input data source. In other words, choose which columns or pieces of information the AI should read from each record. This step matters because the AI can only work with the data you provide. If the wrong fields are selected, the output may be incomplete or off topic. Before applying everything broadly, run the AI field on a sample record. Testing with one example lets you review the response and make sure the prompt and selected inputs are working as expected. If the result needs improvement, this is the best time to adjust it. Finally, save the setup and use it across your records. Once applied, Airtable AI can start producing outputs at scale, helping you work faster and more consistently inside your table. That's it. You now know how to set up and use Airtable AI in your workspace.